Morning, we're here at the Wilderness at Hampton Court Palace, one of Henry VIII's magical areas, as you can see, because we've got loads and loads of the daffodil bulbs out in flower. This used to be his orchard, where he was growing fruit trees, etc. back in the day, but now what the supervisors have turned it into is this magical sort of area where we've got loads and loads of daffodil bulbs out in flower in their drifts. So it's a naturalised way of planting them, which is in the grass. There's this massive colour, yellows, creams, oranges, whites, this sort of fanfare over the next 2 or 3 weeks. What I want you to do is just come into the wilderness and just take you through a little bit of a journey to show you these different types of flower heads that the Narcissus, the daffodils have. They're magnificent, they're wonderful. But I wanted to explain to you that what we've got actually is the same form. We've got a petal all the way around the outside of the flower. We've got this trumpet, which is known as the corolla, and then inside are the naughty bits. But believe it or not, this one here, which is a double, is comprised of exactly the same parts, but look at the two of them. They're wonderful, absolutely amazing, and we've got loads and loads and loads to see. For me, the wilderness is full of wonderment at this time of year. What with the daffodils coming out, spring is on the way, and the lovely thing with that is it shows that soon it's going to be summer, where the days are going to be longer, the weather's going to be hotter, and there's even more flowers for you to come and see here at Hampton Court Palace.